What's right there? Hi everybody, welcome to Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we're going to make individual banana pudding cheesecakes. Yum! I'm going to make 6 of them. And first off, I have 1 cup of vanilla wafers crunched up. Okay? I'll put those in there. And I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of melted butter as soon as I get it melted. And I got 3 tablespoons of melted butter now. So that's going to be our crust. Because, you know, banana pudding and vanilla wafers. So mix those all up. And then we're going to pour those into these 6 cups here. Lined muffin tins, I guess I would saw. Cupcake tins. You know Billy likes his banana pudding, so we're going to see how these are. All over the place, because that's what I do. Instead of getting a spoon, I'm just trying to do it like this. And I think really it makes 8. So maybe I should get a couple more. I thought maybe we'd just put a little extra and make 6, but I have quite a bit extra here. We'll put some on top. Guys, it's raining here all day. I've seen where eastern Kentucky is absolutely flooding. Bad. All right. So now we've got, let me set this aside. 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm real prepared.
We see this.
I never am prepared. So 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Get that all off of there because, you know, you want all that.
Okay. Yeah, you don't want to leave none of that goodness in there.
And a 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 egg. We're just mixing all this together, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Half a teaspoon of vanilla, or whatever you prefer. And a 1/2 cup or so of banana. So I've got 1 medium banana, 1 wee little banana. So we get this all mashed up here. And they were the ripest that I could find. I used to get at Kroger all the time the ripe bananas, you know. They'd have them redosed, and I'd make banana bread. And you can't find them like that anymore. I don't know what they do. All right. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. But I'm going to turn it down to 325. So we're going to do 325 on this. We'll mix this all up. And then we're just going to pour it into our cups over there.
You got a jumper.
Oh, I didn't even see him. Keep trying to get out of the pot. We get this all mixed up. And if I have some extra of this left over, I'm going to make another one or 2, okay? I've never made it before, so, you know, that's what we do. We trial for you. Get this all mixed up. I mean, this has got to be good, right?
You would think. Got all the good ingredients.
Oh, yeah, it does. All right. Know how. All right. Look at me being ambidextrous. Using my left hand.
I've taught you well.
Push this down a little bit into the bottom. Now we'll
Smells good.
Yeah. Bananas and cream cheese. Well, yeah.
So it's not too thick to pour.
That'll set up in the oven after we let it cool. Hope it don't overflow. Yeah, I got some more extra left over, so we're going to make a couple more. 325 degrees oven for 18 to 20 minutes. And I'll let you know when we come back, but I'm going to make a couple more just because I have the extra ingredients. All right, guys. I actually made 9 of them with the leftover crumbs that I had for the bottom and the filling. So I made 9 of them. I took them out of the oven about 20 minutes at 325. This is how big they are, little ones, little miniature. And I put a dollop of whipped cream on there and crushed up some more vanilla wafers and put on there. Let's give her a try. Because you know, banana pudding.
Banana cheesecake.
So good, guys. And after this sets, tomorrow probably be twice as good. I don't know how it can be, but it's really good right now. Banana cheesecake bites. Cheesecake miniatures. I don't know, whatever you want to call them.
Cheesecake cupcake.
Yeah, I'll figure something out. So good. Without nuts. Or vanilla. Or cinnamon.
No, you had vanilla.
Did I? Oh, yes, I did. Gotcha. Or you got me. All right, guys. Oh, let me show you. Bill has been out in the shop and made, look at this little thing. It's not very big, as long as my hand here. That's so cute, a little boat. And another, he didn't make no lid for this one. But I love how he leaves some of the raw wood on there, the edge. So cute. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but we'll think of something. We always have wood stuff sitting around.
Gotta have it.
All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Individual banana pudding cheesecakes. How's that?
Sounds like a winner.
Peace out. Have a great day.